Meteorologist Peter Hall. It's our first Friday of summer and the first full weekend as well. I know it started last Sunday. As we go through time today, I think you're going to enjoy the afternoon. There's going to be a little bit of extra cloud cover this morning with a few peaks of sun. Now, there may be one 5-minute sprinkle or shower between noon and 2. But other than that, increasing afternoon sunshine and another beautiful high of 78. Again, like 2 degrees below normal. The normal high is 80, close enough. 8 p.m. still the sun is out at 72. Midnight, partly cloudy, 62. The best part of our forecast when we look ahead for today through the weekend is this afternoon and this evening. It should be fantastic. You'll want to get outside and enjoy. Maybe if you're going to go to the Balloon Fest at all, make it today. Not to say that every part of Saturday and Sunday is a mess, but the best weather by far will be this afternoon and this evening. We will see increasing clouds, and from south to north, rain will develop. There's still some timing and amount rainfall-wise questions on what happens this weekend. I still think the best shot for rain to develop will be during the afternoon Saturday, and then some steadier, heavier rain Saturday night. Ahead for Sunday, it's either going to be wet all day, which is the worst case scenario, like a complete washout every single hour, there'll be some rain. Best case scenario is this. Morning rain ends, clouds give way to some sun, and then new showers and storms form in the afternoon. Not exactly great either, but at least there would be some drier periods. And quite frankly, I can't tell you exactly the choice of this. My gut is saying try for the slightly better optimistic route. We'll see what happens. See, at noon now, we have this cloud cover hanging out. And if you look carefully right here, there's a sprinkle by Skinny Atlas. And watch as I put this into motion. There's like 1 or 2 tiny little sprinkles, right? So if you get a sprinkle, you're unlucky. And even if you get one, it doesn't ruin the day. And notice the increasing sunshine in those upper 70s to near 80 for much of central New York. Yes, with a northerly wind, you will be cooler lake shores of Lake Ontario in the upper 60s. And then this evening, tons of sun before the sun goes down. There's not a cloud in the sky, basically. Evening and overnight, good looking. Mainly clear to partly cloudy. We take you to daybreak tomorrow morning. There should be some filtered sun, and don't forget the balloon rides, they start this evening, and then there's another one at 6 a.m. tomorrow. I think they'll be able to get that in. There shouldn't be rain. The only question is wind. The wind will be from the north today at around 15 miles per hour at 5, but then diminishing under 10 at 6:37 p.m. At 6 a.m. tomorrow, it'll be an easterly wind at 10 to 15, borderline, but I think they'll be able to squeeze it in, and I think they're going to want to do that because the outlook for the rest of the day gets worse. We will see increasing and thickening clouds on Saturday. Now, this particular futurecast is very, very slow developing the rain. I think it's too slow. It doesn't bring the rain in until Saturday night and Sunday morning. I think, while possible, and it also washes out Sunday. Again, possible, I'm going with a solution that's a little different, a little faster with the rain. Lake Ontario boating forecast for today, though, going back to today's weather, northeasterlies becoming northerly at 5 to 15 knots, waves only a foot. Northeast and northerly winds under 10 knots for Oneida Lake. Beautiful afternoon to enjoy the lake waters here, fishing or just hanging. Finger Lakes, there's some fog this morning and cloud cover with maybe a 5-minute sprinkle or shower early afternoon. Then the sun increases later in the day. Total sun for Syracuse is about 66%, a little less to the south. Not too much sunshine this weekend. Here's your precipitation probability behind me and your 7-day forecast. We will keep you up to date on the amount and exact timing of the rain right here on NBC3.